So we have our internet here. Now all the other cables have gone to the cameras. While doing cameras, when you're doing IP cameras, you have to use Cat6 cable. When doing HD cameras, you do coaxial or you do Cat6. Then you use what you call a balloon connector. You do a Cat6 cable and then you do a balloon connector. So how do you connect this balloon connector? So now the code I will use here, I will use to all cameras. So I'll strip here. Let me strip. After I strip, so for my case, I want to use white, orange, and orange, white, green, and green as video. So these ones are the ones I will connect to the balloon connector. So I strip. I want to have them as tight connectors as possible. So I want to twist them together. Twist them together. As you can see, I've used pure copper. Pure copper with, you're sure that conduction, when it's conducting, it will conduct properly. There will be no losses.
It has a good conduction.
Yeah, that's a good conduction. So, as you can see now here, for the balloon, you have positive and you have negative. So I've said I will use white, orange, and orange as positive, and green and white, green as negative. So for this case, this balloon is very easy. You just press and you put it inside. There will be no screwing. It's done. Another one.
Is that termination firm?
Yes, it is firm. The moment I will be through with it, it is firm. It will be very firm indeed. It's very firm, as you can see.
Okay.
Very, very, very firm. It is very firm. This one, even if you move your camera, there will be no shaking.
Okay.
And then this one will connect to the
Power supply.
power supply. Now I want to isolate them. That way, I will, because I want them to be separated. So, in my case here, at the moment, I have 8 cameras. So I have 8 cables. I will do the same. So let's do together, maybe one more. Yeah. Strip. I'm using orange and green. I strip, twists.
That's the video feed.
Yeah. I twist. No, even if now maybe one time the clients decide I want to do maybe IP cameras, to upgrade, IP are higher, their rating is higher than the HD. So you will not have to do another cabling. You just use these cables.
Okay.
So again, as I said, positive. And it's done. And it's fun. You can do it you can do very many and it's easy. Within a few minutes, you're done. So once I'm done with this, let me do this one more. twist. Then I do my connect, balloon connect. Now this is for the side of the DVR. For the side of the camera, we will use what you call, we will use the balloon connector and a DC jack to connect to the camera. It's very fun. It's easy and it's fun. Yeah, you even feel like doing very many. So here we have a DVR. We have a 16 channel DVR. Today we're using the Hua, and we have a 20 amp power supply. 20 amp power supply.
That's the inside.
20 amp power supply closed. Now for my case, you see, I said I will use green and orange for video.
Okay.
Now for power, I will use brown
and blue.
Brown and blue. And you know, mostly what I do, if I connect this power to number 1, terminal 1, I also connect terminal 1 of the DVR.
Okay.
If I connect the power to terminal 2, I connect. So when anytime that you will need to check, you will have no problem. If it's terminal, maybe it has burnt a fuse, you see it's 1, you know it's camera number 1,
yeah.
and then you'll be able to follow up.
Okay.
So with this one, it's very easy. Also, you just put in the wire and you do the terminals here.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. So we do it again, eh?
Okay.
So what do we need? For the power, now for this case, now this is, I'll use it as my number 1 camera.
Okay.
Use it on my number 1 camera. So even the power supply, you connect it to number 1. As normal, I do twist my wires. Twist them together. And these are the ones, twist them together. Twist them together. Go to our number 1.
Here is our number 1.
This is number 1. Have positive, have negative. So I'll connect. The positive, I've said I use brown for the positive and blue for the negative.
Okay.
So you start with the negative. And then the positive. And we are done. So you have a camera number 1. Then we will continue with the same. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.